You probably already know that pricing and marketing impact the success of a home sale. But did you know that access is also important? What do I mean by that? Well, how easy or how difficult is it for a potential home buyer to view your home? There's some components. Is there a lockbox or not? Are showings by appointment only, or can buyers with their agents go directly to view the home? If appointments are needed, how much advance notice is required? And are there a number of potential times when buyers could view the homes, or is that access time for showings extremely limited? The more difficult you make it for a potential home buyer to view your home, the fewer buyers will probably look at it. And that means you may have fewer offers, which may result in a lower sales price. So the easier you can make it for agents and buyers to come through your home, the greater chance of success you have. There are some ways to create adequate access without inconveniencing you too much. If you're thinking about selling your home and you want to discuss those strategies, let's talk. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California. If you found this information helpful and you'd like additional information on selling a home, check out the other videos in our Selling with Shannon series and consider either subscribing to our YouTube channel or following us on social media. Thanks for watching.